Hey everyone, if you're on the hunt for a quiet air compressor that gets the job done without all the noise, you're in the right place. Whether you need one for your home projects, professional work, or just to keep things running smoothly, we've gathered the top 5 quiet air compressors for 2025. Kicking off the list at number 5, we have the California Air Tools 8010 Ultra Quiet Air Compressor. It is designed for users seeking a quiet yet efficient solution for various tasks. With a noise level of just 60 decibels, it operates quietly, making it suitable for indoor use. Its 8-gallon tank and 1 horsepower motor provides sufficient power for activities such as brad nailing, stapling, and light-duty spray painting. However, it may not be suitable for heavy-duty tasks that require higher continuous airflow. Customers have left their feedback regarding the product. Let's see what they have to say. After evaluating its features and considering customer feedback, we rate the California Air Tools 8010 Ultra Quiet Air Compressor 4.5 out of 5. It is a reliable and efficient choice for DIY enthusiasts and professionals who prioritize quiet operation and have light to medium duty tasks. Coming in at number 4, we have the California Air Tools Cat 1P 1060S. It is an ultra-quiet, lightweight air compressor designed for light-duty tasks like airbrushing and tire inflation, operating at just 56 decibels. Its compact 1-gallon tank and oil-free pump make it low maintenance and easy to transport. A major advantage is its quiet operation, making it ideal for indoor use. But the small tank and 0.6 HP motor may limit its performance for continuous heavy-duty applications. Let's see what customers have said about the product. After considering its features and customer feedback, we rate the Cat 1P 1060S 4.5 out of 5 stars. It's a great option for those needing a quiet and portable compressor, but not the best for high-demand tasks. Coming in at number 3, we have the DeWalt DWF-P5 5126, which is a compact and portable unit that delivers a maximum pressure of 165 psi. Making it suitable for various tasks such as powering nailers and inflating tires. Users appreciate its quick pressure recovery and relatively quiet operation compared to other models. However, some customers have reported issues with leaky fittings and inaccurate pressure gauges. Let's see what the customers have said in their feedback regarding the compressor. After considering its features and customer feedback, we rate the DeWalt DWF-P5 512640 0.6 out of 5 stars. Its performance and portability make it a valuable tool for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike, though potential buyers should be aware of the reported minor issues. Cracking the number 2, we have the California Air Tools 8010A. It is an ultra-quiet, oil-free air compressor featuring an 8-gallon aluminum tank and a 1 HP motor designed for portability and efficiency. Users appreciate its exceptionally low noise level, making it suitable for indoor use, and its lightweight design enhances mobility. However, some users have reported concerns regarding customer service responsiveness. Customers have said a lot about the product. Let's see a few of them. After considering its features and customer feedback, we rate the California Air Tools 8010A at 4.7 out of 5 stars. Its quiet operation and portability make it a strong choice for light to medium tasks, though potential customer service issues may be a consideration for some buyers. Cracking the top spot at number 1, we have the Craftsman CMIC 6150K. It is a 6-gallon pancake air compressor that delivers up to 150 psi, making it suitable for tasks like inflating tires and powering nailers. Its compact design and built-in handle enhance portability, while the oil-free pump ensures low maintenance. However, with a noise level of 82 dB, it may be louder than some users prefer. Customers have left a lot of feedback regarding the product. Let's see what they had to say. After carefully considering its features and customer feedback, we rate the Craftsman Simic 6150K at 4.7 out of 5 stars. Its combination of performance, portability, and ease of use makes it a valuable tool for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. That wraps up our list of the best quiet air compressors for 2025. Each one has its own strengths, whether it's ultra-quiet operation, portability, or reliable performance. Hopefully, this list helps you find the perfect air compressor for your needs. Let us know in the comments which one stood out to you the most. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more expert recommendations. See you in the next one.